Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how AudioMixer works in Unity and how can you use that in scripting to unmute your audio like this. Let me show you. Let me play my game. When I click the icon, it will unmute, it will mute. When I click back, it will unmute. It is all happening because of AudioMixer. You can see here. Okay guys, we are going to achieve this using AudioMixer. Let me show you how. Before that, I'm going to delete all the script related to this. Okay, you can see I added a script here. I will select that script first. Let me see. Here it will be. I will be deleting this script just to make sure you will understand end to end clearly. In the UI, all I did is I added two buttons which are you can see, which are like a mute and unmute, just to toggle it in between. Whenever I want to enable one thing, another thing will be disabled. Okay, one more thing I added is audio manager and audio source. Also I added one basic audio, and this one is there. I will be removing this. We don't need this. Okay, I removed right now, and right now all I need is one audio mixer which I can use in my game. Okay, now right click on the project menu, go to create. Inside that there will be audio. In that, click audio mixer, name it as a mixer. Okay, and double click on that, it will open. You can see I will close this once, close the tab, and if I double click once again, this phase will open. Okay, check on here. This will be a master of the group, and you can add a child clicking inside that, and you can click on adding like a music and SFX. Master will be the head. Whenever you toggle the master, where is the value of the master, the other thing will change. Let me show you. Right now I have this one, so I will add this mixer here. I can't add directly, so I'm adding like this. You can see, right? I'm going to the my mixer and adding this. This one is the old one, don't care about that. Right now it will be like this. Whenever I on that, it will start looping. Okay, now you can see the music, and in the runtime also I can toggle the music using this. Okay, let me show you. My bad, I didn't click play on awake, that's why it was not playing. Let me do it once again. Did you hear that? It will play the music in runtime. If I want to change the audio mixer, I need to click on edit play mode, and the audio will reduce when it reaches to -80. Okay, the value -80. So if I increase it to 0, it will when I increase it to 80, 0, it will play like in a full volume. Okay, right now we need to script for that. All we need to do is click on master. The master will selected. Go to the inspector. Inside the volume, right click, and you can see expose the volume. master to script. Okay, now in the exposed parameter section, you will see this one. Just rename it as whatever you want. I want like master. I will simply name it as a master. Once I did, now I need to script for that. I will go here and in my script folder, I will right click and create a mono behavior script naming audio handler. I named it. It's created. Okay. Now all I need to do is go to audio manager and add that script in scene. Double click on that and remove these unnecessary codes. And now we need the reference of two buttons. Before that we need reference of mixer. So serializer field. Okay, private AudioMixer. Okay, and we need two button references. Serializer field private. Okay, I did something wrong. Let's do it once again. Okay, I have that auto code generating installed, so why it's showing. Don't bother that, ignore that. Private button, mute button, mute button. Okay, now serializer field. Okay, serializer field private button, unmute button. Okay, now mute button and unmute buttons are added. Let's create a private void start start start. Inside that we will reference these two buttons as a mute button dot we will add on listener on click dot add listener. Like when I click on the mute button, it should unmute because we are toggling that unmute. Okay, when I am okay, when I am calling unmute button, unmute button, when I am calling unmute button, it should unmute. Okay, okay, when I am calling unmute button, it should mute. Okay, right now let's create two functions. Private void mute, the same function as up mute. Okay, now when I click on the mute, when I call the mute function, when I want to unmute the like when I want to mute the audio, okay, unmute button will be like the audio will be playing in a full volume. I need to unmute it. Okay, for that I need AudioMixer dot Setflot and what we named there like exposing value master. Okay, now what value we need to set? I told when it comes to 80, that time it will be a mute. When it comes to 0, it will be a unmute. So mute button, that means -80. Yeah, okay, that means it's setting float. Okay, now when I do that, I need to set active false. Like I need to make a unmute button false and the mute button true. unmute button dot game object false, and mute button true. Okay, now reverse that. Now reverse that in unmute. Okay, now reverse that in unmute. Remove this and add it the 0, and instead of false make it true. Instead of true make it false. Okay, you just toggled it. Okay, now all you need to do testing. When you're done with the testing, you will find out that we are all done. Now we need to add audio mixer here, so I will be adding my audio mixer here, and all what else we want. Okay, mute button, mute button, unmute button. Let's test. Let me see, something happened. Okay, I kept mute button like this. So in the start we will be unmuted. That's why it should be in the 0. Okay, right now let's try. It was playing. When I click the button, it will set to unmute, and it will do like this. You can do the same process using you can add other things below here. Let me show what I created previously. I created this demo scene. I will add this script in my Patreon page, and I will provide the entire package to you. You can use that. Let me play that for you. Okay, right now I played this one. You can hear the music when I unmute this. I can mute the music, and I can still play the SFX, and I can mute all those using the master. This one is the master, this is the music, and this one is the SFX. If you want to see the audio mixer in this case, let me show you. You can see the audio mixer. It will be like this. Master will be the top one, and two childs are music and SFX. All done. I will add this in on my Patreon page. If you want, you can download it from there. It's completely free, no fees, no payment. If you want to donate, or if you want to say thanks to me, you can pay, or you can say thank you in a Patreon. There will be an option for that. And if you like to join our Discord server, we will where we will discuss same type of topics, and the link will be in the description. And thank you guys. Let's see you in the next video.